So yesterday I filled these holes up with this DAP plastic wood, professional wood filler. It's very strong. It has a strong fume to it too, but it hardens really quick. And after it's hardened, you can actually screw it. It's like almost like wood, hard, like really hardened. So I put that in there for extra strength. But now you can see I start putting the anchor on. My anchor here, I'm gonna start it. You see it is pretty tight. Give it a try here. Oh yeah, you can tell the strength of it. It's gonna be able to hold it pretty strong. So here I got a up close of the anchor. It's made out of zinc, metal zinc, as you can see up close. You can see that here, and it's a real simple design. Put the screw in there once you put it into the wood, and it can hold up to 50 pounds. And they do design some of them that can hold up to 100 pounds weight. And all you gotta do is get the one that's the right size to fit in your hole, and you don't have to drill. It fits in it really tight, but it's an easy, very easy way to fix your sagging door with the loose screws on the hinge. Instead of have to re-drill your hole or buy a new door, you just get these zinc alloy anchors, and then you're good to go. Alright, I highly recommend, and there's a link below if you'd like to purchase the item. I have several 50 pounds and 100 pounds below for the link. And that, take care. Thanks for watching, and until next time, go fix some stuff.